morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you, ma'am?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay. Do you remember the material we discussed last week?
Yes, I remember, ma'am. Last week we discussed about lines and their explanation and types about line.
Yes, you are right. The material we discussed earlier will have something to do with today's material. Today we will discuss the angles and the types. Before continuing the next material, do you remember what is called a parallel line?
I remember, ma'am.
Please raise your hand before answering. Okay, Bila, please answer.
Lines that point in exactly the same direction will never cross and are called parallel lines.
Yes, you are right, Bila. Does anyone here want to mention again about the material we discussed last week?
Ma'am.
Yes, you again, Bila, please answer.
As I recall, last week we also discussed about intersection and their explanation.
Okay, you are right.
When lines do cross, they cross at a point called an intersection. Intersecting lines will produce several angles. You can think of angles as the space between lines. Angles can be named by the points that form them. An arc is a part of a circle. Arcs can be used to represent an angle between two intersecting lines. When intersecting lines form all exactly equal angles, the lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular lines form right angles. Right angles are square corners, and we use a special square symbol to show that an angle is a square angle.
Yes, you're right, Bila. Give applause for her. Okay, today we will discuss other material that is still related to previous material, which is about the types of angle and their explanation. Before we discuss about it, does anyone here know about the understanding of angle?
Ma'am.
Yes, Bila, please answer.
In plane geometry, an angle is the figure formed by two rays called the sides of angle, sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of angle. Angles formed by the intersection of two curves in a plane are defined as the angle determined by the tangent rays at the point of intersection.
Yes, you're right, Bila. Give applause for her. Okay, now I will explain to you about types of angle. So please attention. First is right angle. Right angle is an angle of 90 degrees, as in a corner of a square or at the intersection of two perpendicular straight lines. Second, an angle that's smaller or less than a right angle is called an acute angle. Third, an angle that's longer or greater than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Okay, that was three types of angle. Do you understand?
Yes, understand, ma'am.
Okay, I will continue the material. A straight angle is formed by two rays pointing in exactly opposite directions. A straight angle is really just a line. Two angles that continue to form a right angle are called complementary angles. Two angles that combine to form a straight angle are called supplementary angles. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you can open page number 145 to learn it more.
Okay, ma'am.
And then if you have learned, don't forget to do some question in the book. And if you have some difficult or some question for me, don't forget to ask me.
Okay, ma'am.